With the release of Logic Pro X 10.4.2 in July of 2019, Apple added a new feature that makes it possible to move your entire built-in or downloadable sound library to another hard drive or partition, like an external drive. Prior to that release, you had to either use aliases or the more reliable solution of symlinks, which are Linux or Unix symbolic links, or also called soft links, to move either your entire or parts of your Logic and or GarageBand sound library to an external or internal location. You can still use symlinks in Logic Pro X post version 10.4.2, but now you also have the option of letting Logic itself take care of it automatically. Now, as opposed to the new internal moving function in Logic, symlinks has the advantage of being modular, so you can put whichever folder wherever you want. For example, you could put everything but the EXS factory samples folder in your Dropbox folder for sync, like the patches or presets that update frequently, and then the EXS factory folder on an external hard drive. The symlink is simply a symbolic link to an original that resides somewhere else.